Looking at the equations, we first decide which unknown to eliminate. In this video, I am eliminating x. If we want to eliminate y, multiply the first equation with 4 and the second equation with 5. Now, I am trying to eliminate x, so I multiply the first equation with 3 and the second equation with 2. Multiply both the left side and the right side of the first equation with 3, so we get 6x minus 15y equal to 39. Multiply both sides of the second equation with 2. We get 6x plus 8y equal to 16. The two new equations, the coefficients of x are of the same sign, so we subtract the new equations to eliminate x. Subtracting the equations gives minus 23y equal to 23. So y equal to 23 division brackets minus 23. So y equal to minus 1. Now we use y equal to minus 1 to solve for x. Substitute y equal to minus 1 in either of the equations. Here I am substituting it in equation 1. We get 2x minus 5 times brackets minus 1 equal to 13 or 2x plus 5 equal to 13. Solving, we get x equal to 4.